So today we are doing an underarm wax on 2 weeks worth of hair growth. Can you see the hair? No. Is it there? Yes. And I'm going to show you. I am using Sexy Smooth Wax Golden Allure. I told y'all I was going to get it, and I got it. Now let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. So for the color and presentation, I do want to give it a 10. And for how quick it dry, I'm going to give it another 10. So I'm just going to hold the skin taut, lift, and remove. This is the first strip. This is how many hairs came up. I told y'all it was there. Y'all just couldn't see it. Y'all don't be believing me though. Because to a naked eye, this looks good. Like we good to go. But to an esthetician eye, we're going to do another one. And you see how my cleanup strip is non-existent. It's barely there. You thought I didn't have enough wax, but I did. This is how thin your cleanup strip should be. Now let's see if it break on me. Now this bag of wax is on sale for $11.50, but it's cheaper if you buy in bulk 11 bags or more. This is a really fast drying wax, so you don't want to leave it on too long. So I'm just checking the temperature, holding the skin taut, and removing in little staggered pulls. And here's the final results. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10, but I feel like y'all already knew that. So right here, I'm just applying some aloe vera for soothing and hydration, and we are all done.